Welcome to iSTEM, the Indian Science, Technology and Engineering Facilities Map. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to assign technologist or operator on the iSTEM portal. Log in as an institute head or institute representative or department representative or faculty in charge or facility coordinator. Navigate to Create View Update, select Equipment. From the equipment list, click Equipment Name. From the list of options in the third level menu, select Operator Mapping. To assign an operator, click the plus icon under the Non-Mapped Technologist or Operator section. Assigned technologist or operator will be notified via email and can manage equipment slot booking requests. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more tutorials on iSTEM. Visit www.istem.gov.in to explore India's largest R&D infrastructure network.